Under the slogan, "Strengthening Multilateralism for Shared Growth," the 13th Asia-Europe Meeting Summit started virtually on Thursday under the chairmanship of Cambodia, with main focus on multilateralism and post-COVID-19 recovery. Cambodian Prime Minister Samdech Techo Hun Sen said it is more important than ever for the ASEM partners to strengthen multilateralism for a sustainable and shared global growth. He said the meeting has set its objectives based on the principles of shared growth, sustainable development and rules-based multilateralism. ASEM, founded in 1996, is an informal platform for dialogue and cooperation between Asia and Europe. The summit's main goals are to deepen inter-regional connectivity for sustainable and inclusive development and shared growth, to promote inter-regional partnership for global governance, to enhance the effectiveness of a rules-based multilateral system, and to harness innovation, digital connectivity, and the Fourth Industrial Revolution, among others.